All right, it's currently 1 o'clock on Sunday, January 17th. I got my car back earlier this week. I am again having this issue with my car not starting. It was working for the last few days after I got it back, but it is again having the issue where it won't start. All right, pressing the brake pedal, pressing the push start, and the car will not start. Have been trying to work with this a little bit. It's locked right now because the car is not engaged, or it's not been trying to start. So I'll try it again. Brake, push, no start. The parking sign comes on right there, showing me that it knows that it's in park. When I go to reverse, it goes to reverse, neutral, drive, neutral. So it recognizes the fact that it's in gear. This works now, but the car will not start. Also, trying to bypass the system by not pressing anything and holding the produces this. This turns on, holding this down. I've read to hold it on for about 10 seconds. And then it eventually starts. I'm looking at the timer on this phone, and it is now about 15 seconds. Still holding it down. And I got nothing. So it doesn't bypass the system either. Bypass turn on. I'm now about 30 seconds holding it down. So I don't think that's an issue. Oh, that obviously is an issue that it doesn't bypass. So it does not work. Still not starting. Let's try it. Try messing with it while it's in drive. So he says shift to park. When I turn it off, it tells me to shift to park. If I shift to neutral, it tries to start, but it doesn't actually start. All right, back to park. Recognizes I'm in park, but does not start. All right, so this is what happens when I press the brake pedal and try to start the car. Brake, that pops up, all of the lights. Now, when I don't press the brake pedal, this is what happens. Nothing. That little light comes on right there for the key, but that's it. And the radio does come on when I do this. Press it again. All of the electronics come on. The air system comes on. But the car does not start. So, these are all the kind of things that you guys told me to check on. So I'm taking a video of this problem. And yeah, hopefully that this can kind of clue you guys in as to what may be the problem. All right.